So if you've ever been at IKEA, and not to mention just the overload of options of things, if you need help, you can't really pronounce any of the products. So I came up with a quick rule of thumb of how to pronounce them correctly in Swedish. Okay, so you take your thumb and you put it over this way, and that usually covers about four letters, and that's where you start. Those are all devoiced velar consonants. This one's called a lilja. Lilja. Everyone can relate to a lilja. And let's try that rule of thumb again. Okay, this one is called a bratska. Bratska. How easy is that? Impossible? Super easy. Okay. This one here, don't be daunted by the nope. Loma. As easy as that. Cover it with your thumb.